All right, folks, what we have here is a Honda Accord. This is a 2.4 4-cylinder. It needs an air filter change, and I'm going to show you why. All right, this is an AutoZone STP brand SA10467. That's what we are going to use. Air filter is found right in there. Basically, it's 3 clips. It's 1, 2, and 1 all the way in the back, in the corner over there. 3. So it's 1, 2, and 3 from the helicopter view. Once you take those clips off, this whole top assembly slides right out. Okay, slides right out, lift it up just enough so you can get the filter out. You don't have to unplug this, but if you want to, you can. But if you unplug it, it's not going to do anything because it's still attached with a Christmas tree over there. So you have to pop that off. But you don't have to, okay? The only thing that I see here that will bother me is probably this stud here is a little bit longer than it's supposed to. But we can mangle that out. And then it's going to hit this piece here, which is this little plastic piece. Don't know what it's there for, but it's a Honda. All right, so let's see here. I'm going to clip this 1, 2, and the 1 all the way over here. 3. All right, I'm going to set you up over here. I go over here standing and watching. There you go. Okay, 3 clips off. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. I'm going to slide it out. Once you slide it out, then you got this obstacle, and you got this long stud obstacle. Badge's been changed, so that's probably why this is long. But normally it shouldn't be that long. All right, there you go. That, peeked it out of the way. This is more than enough room to get it out. I peeked at this before, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Don't be shocked. That looks pretty decent. You ready? Da, da, da. Check that out. Come on. This thing wasn't breathing for a while. Poor thing. It was probably suffocating. No mileage. Mileage is probably very bad. Okay? That's how bad it is. Look at that. I want to spread it open. Say ah. Look at this one. It's tied together. Say ah. Okay? There you go. That's why we change filters, people. At least once a year. All right? At least. Give yourself at least once a year. Give your filter a little break. Look at that. It's like those the days with the COVID days. Look at that little leaves over there and stuff. Okay? Imagine wearing a mask all day and you can't. Oh my God. You guys see it. You gotta feel the weight. I'm sorry. I know it's video, but the weight is unbelievable difference. So that's how much dirt is in there. All right, so and then goes in one way. I'm gonna slide it back in. Find our way in. Dun dun dun. Come on. There you go. Okay. Like I said, it's attached with the wire over here, but it gives you plenty of room. So there's two little tabs here. I'm going to show you. Tab here and a tab here, and they go into these little slots there. Okay, there's one there and one over here. It's just going to slide in just like that. And if you slide it in and it fits and it's good, then the 3 clips would be no problem. If you're having a problem with the clips, that's a possibility that something is binding. Make sure the filter is flat and flush. Let's move this past this point here at the fender. Okay, past that screw over there. Oh no, the screw's gonna have to come up over. So let's see here. Pain in the butt here. Okay, there you go. Slide it in there. Come on, people. There you go. Okay, slide it in. It's good. The clips should go in 1, 2, 3. Little finagling because, like I said, got this stud over here. Got some harnesses over here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You hear it click? there you go. There's your filter change. And I can breathe a little better. 150,000 miles on this bad boy or girl. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? All right. Thanks for watching, folks.